Assalamu alaikum, all GSM friend. Today's subject uh, wait, Oppo Reno 5 scatter file by unlock tool. Next, Motorola Moto G14 global fish file. Next, Redmi 10C UFS ENG DRAM file. Okay. Next, Honor X DRAM file Digitac Plus 100% tested. NX Sparks Nero X scatter file unlock tool. The same tool scatter file. Hang logo dead mode repair, just download. Okay, no problem. My GSM friend, all GSM fail. My at first my YouTube channel subscriber, like and comment on Facebook share. Next your link description, no link, just link comment box check now. And Imo and WhatsApps are now 24-hour service. Okay, WhatsApp number and Imo number, but paid file not free. Any your emergency, your file need description, no link, just link. Any browser open now, see right the Google browser open and Google right now Versa mobile. This Versa mobile just one click and blogger site open. Any file you need. Okay, any file you need. Any, no problem. Just model select X6A. Imagine now see, please wait. On click Digitac Plus. This file now see download. Imo and WhatsApps are now 24-hour service. If mobile is dead, any solution, any problem, Imo and WhatsApps are now. But paid file, all GSM friend, any file you need, just blogger site, this search now, just model now, right, and just click now, okay. And any problem, the file download complete problem, but flash file complete, the pass mobile no power, just Imo and WhatsApp number, 24-hour service. Okay, no problem, but paid solution all paid. Okay, goodbye.